sir. I would like the, today I will try the brisket, sliced brisket, the platter.
Yeah.
And I would like to have the collard greens on the side.
Yes, sir.
And the hush puppies.
Yes, sir.
It's my first time though, and so I'm looking forward to it. Barbecue! Barbecue! Chug-a-lug, grape wine in a mason jar. All right, you guys, so today I'm at Beaumont, located at Texas Station in North Las Vegas. It's a brand new restaurant. Today is Wednesday, January 9th, and they've been open for approximately 3 weeks, and I saw a review or some pictures on the news or either on something somewhere, I don't know where, but I thought I would pop in. All right, we just brought the barbecue sauce, and first one we have is Memphis. And then we have our pineapple bourbon. Number 3 is the Carolina. And then we have our Texas spicy. So I'm gonna try all 4 of them just to see how it goes, yeah? Because you never know what you like until you try it. Guys, as you can see, the meal has arrived. We have our cinnamon butter, cornbread shaped like a Twinkie. We have our hush puppies, which I always thought was just a shoe. Small joke. Some homemade pickles, and some collard greens. With our collard greens, there's always a little salted pork. And of course, the star of the show is our sliced brisket. And like I said, I'm going to try the sauces and see how it all goes, all right? Let's have some fun. So first we will try the brisket without the sauce, all right? I like it. I like it a lot. Now let's try, I know you use a fork, right? But who cares, right? Let's try a hush puppy. Now it is tasty. It's almost like a cornbread consistency. And I can taste the onions in there a little bit, but you know, not bad. I'm digging these collard greens, you know. I'm gonna be careful of this little container. It is hot, so you know, watch yourself. Check it out. Collard. They're not overdone, not boiled to, you know, all Hades. Not bad. Not bad at all. First up is Beaumont's Memphis Sauce, okay? The finger test. You know, almost like a fruity taste to it. Hey. Memphis is it's a mild sauce, okay? No spice, no heat, no kick. Next up is our pineapple bourbon. Also tasty, but not spicy. If you want your spicy kick, Memphis and pineapple bourbon are not the way to go. Next up, Carolinas. Whoop. Okay. Now the Carolina has a slight hint of vinegar. Okay, so like that, you're on your way. Number 4, our Texas spicy. Now here we go. For me, this is the winner. Texas spicy. I like a little bit of kick in the barbecue. Now, it's not crazy spicy like a ghost pepper or whatever, but if you don't like spicy food, it's probably not the right one for you. But if you want a little spice, you know, it's not gonna blow you out of the water, but get you feeling okay. That's the one to try. Oh, and our Twinkie style cornbread. A little piece. Cinnamon butter. Okay. You know, that's my first time you have cinnamon butter, and the cinnamon is not overpowering. Okay, it's nice, but it's not like way up there. Yeah, that's a good product. I like this product. All right, you guys. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn on the external microphone for this last bit, so we get a voiceover. Okay. Overall, I did enjoy the place. The food was nice. The service was fine. The only thing is as in most Vegas restaurants, it was pretty noisy. So that's just life, yeah. But this one bit right here, I was drinking the I guess the juice from the collard greens, kampai. All right, you guys, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and barbecue.